have the second edition of Big Bird Ball with Kara and
starring Kara Lipke.
and me.
What's your name?
They know my name, Savannah.
Oh, okay, because you're a star on
I'm
YouTube,
a
right?
star on YouTube. Kara's got root beer, and I have Sprite. Let's do this. Chug it.
I can't, I'm gonna laugh. Okay, let's just get
Okay.
Okay.
What do you do? Wait, turn it down. Oh my gosh, I suck tonight.
I dropped it on myself.
Ah. I think I'm gonna win this round again too. Go down. Suck it in.
I'm gonna be like Haley, and I'm gonna be like, just randomly. Is that better than yours?
Yeah, that was a bit bubbly. I'm running out of pop.
Go get more. Hurry up.
But let me have a sip of that.
You're not allowed to enter in it.
Yeah.
Why?
Because you're free.
Actually, I'm gonna open my mouth and you can burp. I'll be like, again?
I have more competition with you instead of Haley. Haley just kind of stood there.
She's like, love you, Haley. Ah. We need to talk more, Haley. I mean, what? Let's not talk anymore.
Alright.
You're like, alright.
Who do you think won? Two, get a burp and I'll tell you.
Alright.
Throw
Wait,
us
how
away.
much is in there? Chloe, drink a little bit more.
Throw us away.
Like up to here.
I want to try.
Do it. Just chug it and then you can burp.
Throw us away.
Please. Oh, come on, you little wimp. What's the big deal? Look at you. You're like struggling through a drink. Love you.
Oh, us.
Really? Okay, let me. Chloe, a little bit more.
No, it doesn't
Come
matter.
on. I was gonna say like chug the whole thing.
No, I can't do that.
Chug as much as you can. Alright, Chloe.
Alright, ready to go.
I have to pee so bad.
Oh.
Really?
Root beer
Okay.
makes me burp more than Sprite.
Okay, ready? Hold on, I can't laugh if you lose it.